Today we are making one of the most loved Mediterranean street foods, chicken gyros with creamy tzatziki, a fresh salad and warm pita bread.
Hi foodies! Today we are making chicken gyros. Smoky, creamy, herby goodness all swaddled up in a fluffy pita. Basically the overachiever of handheld meals. Let's dive in.
Let's start with the chicken marinade. Into a bowl add 400 grams of boneless chicken thighs or breasts. Thighs will give you extra juiciness but breasts will work just fine. Now add 3 big cloves of garlic minced nice and fine, followed by a spoonful each of white wine vinegar, lemon juice and good old extra virgin olive oil. To balance it, we'll add 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, which not only tenderizes the meat but also gives that rich flavor. Now for the spices, the soul of the marinade, sprinkle in 1.5 tablespoons of dried oregano, a teaspoon of each of cumin and paprika, 2 tablespoons of salt, and a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. Mix everything well until the chicken is beautifully coated in this creamy, fragrant mixture. Cover and refrigerate, ideally overnight or maximum flavor, but at least an hour if you're short on time. While the chicken soaks up all that goodness, let's whip up a quick tzatziki. Take 1 cucumber, grate it finely, and squeeze out all the water. Into a bowl, add 1¼ cup of thick Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, 1 grated garlic, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix until smooth and creamy. This cool garlicky dip is what makes gyros so refreshing. Next, let's prepare a simple Mediterranean salad. Chop up 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber and a red onion. Add a handful of fresh parsley if you like. Season with pinch of salt and pepper. This fresh crunch will balance the richness of the chicken. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Heat a skillet or a grill pan over medium heat. Drizzle a touch of olive oil and place the marinated chicken pieces. Cook them until golden brown, slightly charred and juicy. About 6 to 7 minutes per side depending on the thickness. Once done, let them rest for a minute and then slice into thin strips. Let's assemble the gyros. Warm up your pita bread on the pan for just a few seconds so they're soft and pliable. Spread a generous spoonful of tzatziki, add the slices of juicy grilled chicken, top that with a fresh salad and fold it up. And there you have it, homemade chicken gyros that taste just like the ones you'd find on the streets of Greece. Tender, flavorful chicken, creamy garlic tzatziki, crisp veggies and a warm pita, all coming together in one perfect bite. Make this once and it's guaranteed to become your favorite at your home.
So, here's the deal. Save this recipe before your taste buds file a complaint. Tag that one friend who thinks shawarma and gyros are the same. We forgive them. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious.